Okay, so this is my lesson about my fourth grade mind maps. So this is like, as you can maybe see in my submission, the objective and course standard is outlined there. I want to be teaching fourth graders, so it's about vocabulary. So here you can see that this is where my video link is embedded. There you can do a tutorial to see what mind maps are. I'm going to show my students that. That'll be a great interactive way to get them excited about the idea. So then on slide 3, you're going to see a picture of my image of a wave or an ocean, and then you're going to see also a little icon next to it, and that's the music, and that's going to play ocean sounds throughout. This way, like when they're brainstorming ideas for their mind map, it will be about ocean, so I'll get them in that idea. So then here is the shape. That one won't move, the triangle, but they will be taking the circle and they'll be making connections about oceans and copying that so that it will go all around the triangle, because the triangle is where they're going to put the prompt about oceans. So that way we're going to see everyone's brainstorming and ideas. So then lastly on this slide, here is a link to give you some further examples about mind mapping, so students can explore this link here and look at past students in other schools and what they've been doing for their research projects. And then at the bottom there are some quiz questions. Were you able to participate? Is there something new that you learned, and what questions do you have? That way, just by looking at these, I'll be able to understand and evaluate my teaching based on the responses that I receive from my students. And there's my lesson.